Remember, you can find the link to upcoming workshops and courses in the video description and first comment. Strengthening techniques to eliminate insomnia. Insomnia is a sleep disorder causing difficulty in sleeping, leading to fatigue and affecting daily life. Sleep gives your body and brain time to recover from daily stress. After a good night's sleep, you'll perform better and make wiser decisions. Sleep helps you feel more alert, optimistic, and improves your relationships. During sleep, your body eliminates toxins and regenerates organs. Proper sleep significantly reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. I'm Rocio Yuen method instructor. If you find this helpful for this strengthening, I'd greatly appreciate if you share it, leave likes, comments, and 5-star ratings to help as many people as possible. If you're interested in the Yuen method, check the description for WhatsApp or Telegram links to upcoming dates. Let's separate the weaknesses of each midline component. Central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tailbone. We erase weaknesses to 0-infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We level each midline component and integrate it in all possible ways. Top down, bottom up, side to side, in, out in, back, forth, 100% infinite potential, all the time, forever. We'll strengthen the midline as well as body, mind, and spirit. We separate the weaknesses of these three components, erasing 0-infinity from 100% of time with infinite time. We level them to be centered, balanced, and stable, strengthening them individually and collectively. We'll strengthen you to exist without mind, spirit, and empty. We separate mind and spirit from body, sending them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and unknown places. We'll remove the cumulative effect of your mind in the micro and macro body, remove resistance to leaving your body, and eliminate 0-infinity from 100% of time with infinite time. We remove the cumulative effect of bad habits preventing sleep, poor diet, negative thoughts, and harmful behaviors. We erase this accumulated effect with all traces and remnants to 0-infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's remove the cumulative effect of all the time you've been unable to sleep properly in this and other lives. We'll remove anger, exhaustion, frustration, lack of focus, memory loss, rage, depression, anxiety, and panic. We erase all of this completely and permanently from each and every instance that you, your ancestors, and descendants have experienced it in this and other lives to 0-infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's erase insomnia as part of the cumulative effect of other problems or negative experiences. We'll also remove influences from ancestors who suffered from insomnia and passed on this energy. We'll also remove sudden events that brought loss, death, pain, and other traumas. Negative experiences while sleeping, you ancestors or descendants in this and other lives at 0-infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's separate causes of insomnia, those from illnesses, those from traumas, those from fears and phobias, those from karmas and curses, and those from physical and non-physical limitations. We erase their weaknesses and combined effects at 0-infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Now let's erase the cumulative effect of stress. the stress you've had for long periods affecting your body at micro and macro levels. Will clear stagnant cortisol, sending it to the lymphatic system, channels, ducts, centers, fluids, and nodes. We strengthen it fully with infinite potential, constantly and eternally. I'll separate you from the collective of stressed insomniacs. We erase all weaknesses completely, permanently, and infinitely. You'll join those who sleep easily and quickly, getting ample rest, fully and infinitely. We'll clear the energy of unresolved issues, yours or not, that hinder your sleep or its continuity. We erase these unresolved issues' energy completely, permanently, and infinitely. Let's erase all spiritual weaknesses, including memories that hinder your sleep, both yours and others. We banish these weaknesses to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms. Now we'll strengthen the central nervous system of the brain and the energy tail. We connect them in all directions, up, down, up, left, right, left, inside out, outside in, back, front, back, at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, eternally. We'll optimize estrogen and progesterone levels fully and permanently at 100% with infinite potential, always. Let's separate causes, reasons, and sources, both physical and non-physical, that are triggering this insomnia. We eliminate all weaknesses to zero minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. We'll remove others' thoughts about you, eliminating worry, anger, and fears from your body, mind, and spirit, as well as from theirs and physical spaces to zero minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. We'll detach your mind from your bed, pillow, bedding, and sleepwear. We remove this mental attachment and its resistance to leaving these spaces, sending it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and unknown parts of the universe. We'll erase the cumulative effect of all incorrect questions and answers, incorrect and unanswered questions. We erase from your body, mind, and spirit and physical spaces and surroundings to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's remove the mind from this issue, all that you magnify, intensify, and generalize, including problems, this and others. We erase the mind, sending it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and unknown parts of the universe and beyond. We'll separate causes, reasons, and sources of emotional changes, environmental factors, physical causes, mental illnesses, and substance use. We erase the weaknesses from these and other lives, from these memories to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We balance all these factors to be centered, stable, and erase them from your body, mind, and spirit, yours and not yours, at zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's separate emotions, sensations, and reactions, yours and others, that hinder sleep. We erase to zero minus infinity 100% of the time infinitely. We balance your emotions, sensations, and reactions in all possible combinations, aligning yours with others, centering and stabilizing them completely and permanently. We'll remove judgment, criticism, accusation, reproach, regret, and revenge. We eliminate hurt feelings totally, completely, and permanently from within and without, to zero minus infinity 100% of the time infinitely. 100% of the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Let's eliminate guilt, anger, frustration, sadness, despair, stress, anxiety, fears, phobias, traumas, and karmas from within and without. We'll also remove resistance to releasing these energies. We eliminate to negative infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. We remove weaknesses causing peace, calm, and stillness. Let's eliminate the weakness of not having problems or worries. Erase influences from religion, culture, ancestry, and education to negative infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. Strengthen production, distribution, absorption of neurotransmitters. We boost melatonin production in the brain to 100% infinite potential all the time. Let's increase your energy speed to make it strong, going above, below, and at the speed of light. Let's do this. We'll remove negative energy blocking sleep from your bed, pillow, bedding, room, house, and surroundings. We eliminate multiple personalities, spirit ties, and entities from all dimensions and forms. We clear energy waste and parasites, sending them to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown places. We'll remove these energies' resistance to leaving your body and your reluctance to let go. We clear all resistance completely and infinitely. We'll make you strong and neutral for sleep alone or with others. Strong and neutral for fast or slow sleep, whatever you need. We'll remove accumulated worries, grudges, pain, and fears. We erase all this from your body, mind, and surroundings completely. Will strengthen your home's internal dynamics. We eliminate external influences. We set strong boundaries to prevent energy loss and negative input. We strengthen all aspects and interactions fully and infinitely. Let's eliminate misconceptions about insomnia, your relationship with it, and sleep patterns. We clear this from you and around you to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. Now let's separate emotions, sensations, and reactions. We erase the weaknesses. We remove debilitating feelings and reactions that hinder, limit, or delay rest and sleep. Let's clear the buildup of everything that torments and blocks you. Emotions, sensations, reactions, yours or not, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll eliminate repetitive thoughts, negative, involuntary, exaggerated, magnified, and generalized, yours or not, that keep you from sleeping, from your body, mind, spirit, your physical space, and surroundings, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We remove the mind from your atoms, cells, molecules, and quantum particles. We remove the mind from your central nervous system. We remove your mind's resistance to leaving you. We eliminate weaknesses triggered by being mindless. We remove weaknesses activated by being neutral. We send this to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark energy, black holes, and unknown places. We separate health, fitness, relationships, finances, life purpose, and time. We erase their weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. We balance them, centering and integrating them in all possible ways, top to bottom, bottom up, right to left. Left, left, right, inside out, outside in, back, forward, forward, back, 100% potential, infinite time. Let's remove physical, mental, emotional, psychological, and spiritual barriers that keep you from sleeping. We erase memories of death or sleep, yours or not. We separate past, present, and future. We eliminate weaknesses. Let's become infinite 100% of the time, forever. We balance, center, and strengthen in all possible ways. We'll erase negative thoughts about sleep and wakefulness from you and others. Make it infinite 100% of the time, forever. We remove guilt triggered by sleep, rest, enjoyment, and feeling good. We eliminate limitations 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll clear the mind of all conscious and subconscious issues. We'll strengthen the pineal gland, connecting it to the central nervous system. Top down, bottom up, left, right, in, out, back, forth, 100% potential, infinitely. We'll separate weaknesses in left, right hemispheres and brain's middle sulcus. We remove and erase limitations 100% of the time, infinitely. We balance, center, and strengthen all possible neural connections. We're cleansing the central nervous system, removing toxins, germs, and anything else that might disrupt your sleep. Let's eliminate resistance to improvement. We'll clear negative memories, both yours and others, and remove barriers to feeling good, free from guilt, judgment, criticism, accusations, and reproach. Achieve limitless potential all the time, forever. We'll strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and key points of each area we're working on, maximizing potential continuously and erasing all weaknesses, aiming for infinite improvement for all time. Good night and sweet dreams.